Today's episode is brought to you by NordVPN. You've joined the growing number of people who have made their homes smarter. You've got a smart speaker in the kitchen that plays your favorite music while you cook. You can adjust the thermostat from your phone no matter where you are. And your vacuum cleaner knows how and when to clean the floors without you having to lift a finger. But with all this convenience comes an increased need for security. As more of your daily life gets integrated into smart devices, it's vital to protect both your data and your daily routines. When we talk about smart home security, it's easy to think about the cameras, door locks, and alarms that monitor the physical space of your home. But it's equally important to think about securing the digital aspects of your smart home, your Wi-Fi network, the hub that connects all your devices, your online accounts, and the data that flows through them all. Let's look at several key steps you can take right now to protect yourself and your family. First things first, passwords. We know it's not the most exciting topic, but it's essential. Most smart devices require you to create an account and set a password to access their features. Think about the password you use for your email, banking, or social media. If you want to be taken seriously online, your smart device passwords should be just as secure. So start by choosing passwords that are long, complex, and unique. A good password has a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and is different for each service. This might seem like a lot to remember, but it's the best way to keep your account safe. If one password gets leaked, you won't be putting your entire smart home security at risk. Now, you don't need to come up with complicated, hard-to-remember passwords. A password manager can generate and store secure passwords for you. Our top pick is NordPass. NordPass is a great tool for managing passwords across various platforms and devices. It uses the AES 256-bit cipher, one of the most secure encryption methods available, ensuring your passwords are kept safe and secure. One of the best features of NordPass is its autofill function. Once you've created a secure password, NordPass can automatically fill it in for you on the relevant websites. This saves you time and ensures you never accidentally use the wrong password. Also, if you're concerned about your online privacy, check out NordVPN, a product from the same company behind NordPass. NordVPN uses the next-generation encryption standard, NordLynx, to keep your data secure. NordLynx is the latest encryption protocol developed by cybersecurity experts at NordPass. It combines the best features of OpenVPN and IPVanish, offering you a fast and secure browsing experience. And with over 5,400 servers in 59 countries, you'll always find a secure connection. NordVPN is also incredibly user-friendly. Just tap one of the quick connect buttons in the app and you're ready to go. So whether you're at home or on the go, NordVPN keeps you safe. Use discount code TECH1 to get 3 years of NordVPN at a huge discount, plus 4 additional months for free. That's like getting 4 months for free. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. There's no risk for trying it out. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, you've got strong passwords in place, but there's still more to do. It's enable two-factor authentication. Most services that allow it, including smart home apps, allow you to set up what's known as 2FA or two-factor authentication. It's also called multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security beyond just a username and password. How it works is you sign in with your usual credentials, and then you get a code usually sent to your phone. You enter that code to confirm you really are who you say you are. It may seem like an extra step, but it's a highly effective way to keep your devices in accounts. Secure because it means that even if someone figures out your password, they won't be able to get in without that second form of verification. Another thing to consider is how often you change your passwords. Generally, it's a good idea to change passwords every few months. However, if you use a password manager like NordPass, it's less critical since they offer zero-knowledge architecture. This means that even if a hacker breaks into the password manager, they won't be able to access your passwords, because only you have the key to unlock the vault. Okay, passwords are important, but let's talk about something equally crucial: keeping your devices updated. Software updates aren't just about adding new features. They're also about patching security holes and fixing bugs. Manufacturers release regular updates to address potential vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. These updates ensure that your smart devices continue to function securely, reducing the risk of data breaches or device malfunctions. Check for updates at least every few weeks, or if possible, turn on automatic updates. In settings, however, be careful with automatic updates. If you choose this option, make sure you test the update on a spare device first. Some updates have been known to cause issues in rare cases. Sharing access to your smart devices with friends, family, or house guests is a big part of enjoying the convenience of smart home technology. But be cautious about giving out those login credentials. Before you hand over the reins, take some time to consider the security implications. First, evaluate the trustworthiness of the person you're sharing with. Are they someone you can implicitly trust, or do they have a history of being careless with passwords or personal information? Next, assess the level of access you're granting. Do they need full admin privileges, or can you limit their access to specific devices or functionalities? Lastly, be sure to regularly review and update access permissions. People's circumstances can change, and you may want to reevaluate who has access to your smart home system. One of the most underrated aspects of smart device security is being aware of your privacy settings. Most modern devices allow you to control what data is collected and how it's used. Take a few minutes to explore these settings, understand what data is being gathered, and decide what's comfortable for you. You may also want to look into getting a smart home security system. These systems typically include features like encrypted connections, secure data storage, and access controls that can help you keep your smart home safe from unauthorized access. Staying vigilant against scams, fake apps, or phishing emails is crucial for maintaining the security of your smart devices. Here's how you can spot and avoid common threats. First, be wary of emails or messages that ask you to log into your account or reset your password. Legitimate companies will never send unsolicited emails asking for this type of information. Next, always download apps from official stores and avoid apps with negative reviews or those that request unnecessary permissions. Lastly, be cautious of public Wi-Fi. Hackers often target public networks to steal user information. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks like password resets or financial transactions. Instead, use a virtual private network like NordVPN to create a secure connection on public networks. Remember, staying safe online isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Regularly review your security measures. Update your passwords and stay informed about the latest online threats and best practices. We've reached the end of our guide to keeping your smart devices secure. Staying safe in a smart home isn't about being tech-savvy. It's about taking proactive steps to protect what matters most to you. We hope this guide has empowered you to navigate the digital world with confidence. As technology continues to evolve, so will the methods and threats to your online security. So stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve. Keeping your smart devices secure is an investment in peace of mind. As binds. With vigilance and the right security measures in place, you can enjoy the countless benefits of a smart home without compromising on safety. Congratulations on completing your journey into the world of smart devices. With every step, you're making your life easier, safer, and more connected. For more tips, guides, and the latest updates, subscribe to Tech Simplified and continue your journey with us. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes, and remember, technology is best when it makes life simple.